because njengoba ngikhuluma nge-breast cancer, I am a breast cancer survivor. Lose the strength and the courage to fight. So mina impendulo ebengilinde ku-doctor, it's a yes.
Okay. It's another day, yet another dollar. 013 Golden Circle, we're coming back live from a Moonlight Lifestyle la eWilly Ackerman njengoba ngihlala ngisho. Namhlanje, you know, I feel very honored. Next to me ngiphethe usisi wami nguya naye kude from the same primary school eVuma.
Yeah.
Saint Vuma.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But namhlanje we are going to talk with her on a different level because as you know, as a 013 we are telling Kasi narratives. Naye umeme Mrs. Nkosi, she's got a story to tell. Angathi ngingabi isiqeda mlusi. And allow my guest to introduce herself, nimazi kabanzi, and then we get on with the business of the day. Sawubona.
Sawubona bhuti wami.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
No man, thank you very much. Phela ngiyaplasha chabaza. Yeah, smile nokusmile. The way ngijabule ngakhona.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah. It shows.
It's good to know I bring.
Yeah, no, you bring in joy.
Smile.
Phela ngismile njani enhlekezini ngiphathwa namahloni. Yabo, no, thank you very much for honoring the invitation. Masikuthinta sithi sicela usondele sizoxoxa nawe. I know you've got a very beautiful story to tell. So mina I can say I know, but then kulaba bangazi.
Abangazi.
Yeah, the opportunity is yours. Introduce yourself njengoba sengishizo nje ukuthi ungubani, but ungayiqala phansi bakwazi wena self.
Okay, ngiyabonga ukuthi ningamukele nokuthi ningi-invite.
Sure.
Angikuthathi kancane lokho.
Yeah.
Kimi kukhulu.
Sure.
And then by so saying mangiz introduce njengoba ubhuti wami sekashilo, ngingumeme wakaNkosi, born and raised in Witbank. Scheme some primary school. Evuma.
Yes.
La yini kuseyini lesata Lembede Street.
Yes.
Yeah. That's where I did my primary. Ngingumkasana bengihlala eLithuli ngivelele eLithuli. I did my high school at Duva. Still ngisese Witbank. I completed the matric yami Edu College. Edu College Musi, yeah, lapha downtown.
Sure.
That's where I completed my my matric. I furthered my studies at Pretoria, and then ngabuya. I'm married. A mother of 3 handsome boys.
Yeah.
3 handsome boys. Yeah.
Yeah, no, meme. I think ngizongena straight odabeni.
Okay.
Ngizongena straight odabeni njengoba manje ufake neskipa esipink.
Yeah.
With a ribbon. Now for those abangazi mhlambe ukuthi what are these colors for mhlambe lamakhala la uwafakile representa ini?
Okay, lamakhala lawa njengoba ngwafakile njengoba nibona nale ribbon le. I representa I breast cancer awareness month, which is October.
Yes.
So every year in October, I make it a point ukuthi I wear pink as much as possible. Because njengoba ngikhuluma nge-breast cancer, I am a breast cancer survivor.
Okay.
Yes. So hence I'm wearing the shade pink because it represents leyo awareness leyo.
Yeah, no bengithi ngifuna ukukubuza ukuthi why ube passionate kangaka nga something udibana phi nayo, but no, so ngiphendulile.
Yeah.
You know, normally they say life begins at 40. You know. So mina ngizokubuza kuloko ke ukuthi if they say now life begins at 40 and everything. So I know you are on the 4th floor. I know you are on the 4th floor. Normally they say a lady doesn't reveal their age, but then
uyangigugisa cabanga. Ngishobani ukuthi ngina 40?
No. Angisho ngizazi ngami.
Ngishobani?
Ngizazi ngami ngiku 4th floor and mangu 4th floor now obviously you are on the 4th floor. So now as a lady that has already been ogu 4th floor, how has that been treating you so far?
Hey no, le ndaba ye 40 angizwisisi mara ke sesizayixoxa ngoba soyibuzile.
Sure.
Mara mina ngina 25 but ke bathi mawuku 4th floor okay
Yeah.
sorry come back to reality. No, being ku 4th floor I think that's where reality kicks in ngezinto eziningi.
Sure.
So reach immaturity stage.
Yeah.
You have encountered challenges emhlabeni.
Yeah.
And then in a way you praise and honor yourself ukuthi wow, I made it to 40. And I can tell you now, once you reach stages aka 40,
Yeah.
ufuna ukuzibona so fika ku 50 with that half a century.
Yeah.
Because abasibaningi abafika ku 40.
Yeah.
So I feel blessed and honored because I think that's where when they say life begins at 40, it does not necessarily mean gumnandi qala madolo. Qala
Mawusukuma uyababaza lapho
so
ukuthi,
yeah,
"Nacha,
so yabambezela.
Yeah.
Kunabo tikilishani bakho abancane, mami bisi, mami orosi,
Yeah,
igezi phelile,
Hey.
i-reality.
Sure.
That's why bathi life begins at 40 because most of the things empilweni yakho sekumele ukuthi manje kube nguwe oba in charge. And nasesontweni masekuthiwa sicela abomama bebandla basukume, awusabheka abomama bakho bona sebogogo esontweni.
Yeah.
Mabathi sicela abomama bebandla sekumele ukuthi sekumele kusukume.
Bashonina.
This is where we understand. Kulapho ubona ukuthi no yazi no lalela i-reality ke manje.
Or mabathi sicela abomama basale.
Abomama basale.
Bese wena uyaphuma
bathi mam futhi abathi meme mama unkosi kanti uyaphuthi ish okay.
Yeah.
By the way, yeah.
No, ngiyabonga ukuthi you've embraced ukuba 40 and 40 and above, and you're taking it as a privilege because something happened in your life.
Yeah.
Yabo? So I'm gonna go to that specific day when uthola now ukuthi ish une cancer.
Okay.
Yabona, how did it feel nje?
Okay, let me just say ukuthi ngize ngithole ukuthi what happened.
Yeah.
Bengisejimini.
Okay.
Ngumuntu vike uthanda ijimi ke bengiboxa, shy boxing.
Yeah.
Ku Calvin lo we Black DNA. Our very own coach yala with bank isijimisa uyasivova naye.
Uyanivova, ne?
Uyasivova ku Black DNA kanjani.
Yeah.
So it just happened on that day when I was boxing, I felt a pain. And then, okay, because I have always been low muntu loyo ongekho ignorant about such, like aboma pap smear, aboma mama cream and whatnot. I decided to go to appointment ngaya ka doctor. Doctor mangifika wathi ngcono ukuthi kwenziwa ama test and whatnot. Then after 2 weeks after my results sewabuyile, indeed bathola ukuthi kune lump.
Okay.
And then fast forward uyangireferela to a physician ukuthi manje kena ngiyenzeni ngiye theater bayenza into bayibiza i-biopsy. That's where they took a sample of a tissue from your flesh bayimikise a lab for a test. And then uyayazi le don't call us will call you. If we find something, we'll definitely call you.
Yeah.
But if you don't receive a call, then you've got nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
Hey, call yangena.
Esal.
Mama Nkosi, please, is a Emalahleni hospital room ban. Okay,
Yeah.
sharp. Baba Nkosi asambi. Siyaya lapha, and then fast forward ama results ayasho ukuthi no. Ama results abuya elab ayasho ukuthi Mama Nkosi une breast cancer stage 2 stroke 3.
Bathini?
Stage 2 stroke 3.
Kuchaza lo.
Meaning ngiku stage 2 sengiyela ku stage 3 manje. And you know what is so strange? Le test ngiyenze ngo-April. Ne? And 2018 ngo-November ngaya for ama test.
Yeah.
My usual test, pap smear, mammogram. There was nothing. My results waphuma ngo-November. There was nothing.
Yeah.
December, January, February, March, April. Nge 5 months sengu stage 2 ya ku stage 3. The way khohlakele ngakhona this thing iyabhanca, and I think on that day as much as ngingumuntu obengumuntu onamabele amancane, I appreciated amabele amancane because I still feel ukuthi mhlambe if I had a bigger breast I would not have picked up the pain or the lump in my breast. So it was being suppressed la phakathi ngivubuhlungu.
Okay.
So being the person that I am and umuntu othanda ukufesa into head on, the question that engayibuza on that particular day, leya Dr. Lwe, as much as it was painful, but I was wanting to know ukuthi, is there something that can still be done? That's the question that I first asked. So mina impendulo ebengilinde ku doctor, it's a yes.
Okay.
I was not expecting a no. So that the moment he said yes, it can still be cured we can still try to do something about it. That was enough for me.
Okay.
That was enough for me because I just felt ukuthi angifuni bazongitshela ukuthi say spread yile, there's nothing we can do.
Yeah.
Because I think that is the worst answer anyone can get from a doctor. We all want to hear ukuthi there's still hope.
So kuphi unyaka lapho is it 2019?
2019, yeah 2019 April, when I was diagnosed. So going forward, and then doctor wang referrala Helen Joseph. It's a hospital in Joburg, where they also did their test, but confirm ukuthi okay, breast cancer yona ikhona vele sekutrige manje. Sekutrige manje. So kwakosela ukuthi ngiqale iprocess yani ye chemotherapy. Hey. Yeah, no, waqala inkathazo ke manje ke lapho ke Khumza. Hayi lapho
phela manje sebokujova ngepoison.
Lapho ukhumbule ukuthi ichemotherapy lena yi-drip bayifaka through ama veins.
Yeah.
Imele ukuthi mayingena la kule system yakho iyoshisa lama abnormal cells lawa asewazenze icancer. And uma ingena ayishisi those abnormal cells kuphela. Ishisa kwasani. Poison kahle. And you sign a consent form before baqala ngale process ukuthi chemotherapy kahle i dangerous because ibulala namasotsha womzimba. If awukho strong enough, it can heal you, it can break you, it can make you or break you.
Can heal or kill.
Yes, depending nakhona ukuthi u strong kangakanani emasotsha akho omzimba and what not because uba weak.
Yeah.
Uba weak uyasha, uphela inwele. Amazinyo lawa amazipho lawa abamnyama. Kwawena nje uba izombi nje uba iskeleton esiphilayo.
Yeah.
Ufana nje nale bhruge ngiligqokile. Kuhamba kwasani Khumutso nale ngqondo naye kuba ngathi kwesinye isikhathi ngathi ayithathi kahle.
Ne.
Kuba ngathi ayithathi kahle. Yabona leso sikhathi leso leyo period leyo ye chemo, I think that was the worst. That was the worst.
But
part.
now Logan now, because now you've been diagnosed with cancer. Now having to realize what this is your new norm. How were you able to juggle that? Because like ukuthi uyiqala kanjani ke lempilo entsha osobhekene nayo? I-support, or did you have it or?
Yazi into ebalulekile kulelo is support man.
Yeah.
Support ukudlula more than anything. I was fortunate enough to receive support from my husband, to receive support from my family members. Khumutso inzima.
Yeah.
Inzima because as much as uthola support nawe self mele uzikhansele because ungangikhansela wena uhleli lapho but mele ukuthi lento iphume ngaphakathi kimi ukuthi lalela manje meme uyagula ubhekane nesifo a deadly disease and phezu kwale deadly disease onayo kune poison abayifakayo la emzimbeni wakho ekucindezelayo. But the question is uyavuma, are you allowing yourself to be defeated by a foreign thing that is not supposed to be in your body?
So now this thing ebayifakayo in the name of healing yourself, good back healing, it's also torturing you at the same time.
Kabhlungu kabhlungu so kuba bhlungu from enhloko ukufika kutho
Vele
yakho
kushuthi head and
noma
shoulders.
uthi nje kubhlungu because iyashisa kufana nokuthi uthatha imbawula uthatha imbawula uyifaka phakathi emzimbeni wami noma ungangithela ngamanzi abandayo akupheli lokushisa nyasha like nyasha I'm literally burning ngihleli so mara nyasha
even if kubanda ngaphandle
lalela ngithi yabona makuyi winter kona ngihleli ngiso umjuluko uyayehla ngoba ize ngithi okay I'm not sure kubo baba but ngithi bo mama ikufaka ku menopause stage whereby uthola nama hot flashes ngithi uvuka embedeni labo lelo khona ngathi fika kwahashwa ibhakede lamanzi ujuluka enye into kuyabanda abantu bagqokile ama jacket wena uyasha impandla wena futhi impandla yakho yabona inenwele le yethi baskuni
le ngifuna
iba yitayitayi yabona itayitayi le rafo lomntwana iba njalo umjuluko uyazehlela so uhleli uyazehlela so that's how dangerous it is so you can just imagine ukuthi uma ushiswa yipapa uthi uyapheka lapho uyeva uthi uyasha imagine ke lokushisa ke masokula from head to toe that's why uzothola izinwele asisabi nazo ma eyebrows ma eyelashes konke la kunezinwele konke
bakugwinyisa imbawula wayigwinya imbawula
lalela ngigwinyile
all in the name of survival
all in the name of surviving
now awungitshele because now this is a new reality and you are married somebody lesilwane lesi si affect kanjani umshado wakho
so I don't want to lie I want to say Baba Nkosi is a very strong guy affect her physically psychologically sexually emotionally it affects you ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ungumama kunezidingo ezakababa ekumele ukuthi zifezeke uyangiunderstand and kulesimo lesi engiso kwesinye isikhathi
akuvumi
vele sifaka stop sign bengathi ngijothe stop sign sala endleleni vele ukuthi ngihamba naso lapha endlini we understand kubovu vele like kubi but it's not always the case kuyaba naleso sikhathi ukuthi okay namuhla ngathi kuthanda ukuba ngconywana mara I don't want to lie to nini uyahlanza ngapha abantwana bayamangala ukuthi and then kwenzakalani ngomama umama is weak mara mina ke khumza ngifuna ukutshela manga mina bengizikhabi izingubo hayi bengizikhahlela mntanse ekhaya bengibona ngathi mangilele ngathi ngizofa
ufuna ngathi ngahlala ubhekile
ngahlala ngibona ngathi mangilungilele
but she died in her sleep
exactly bengisaba lokho so mina bengikhahlela izingubo so bengivuka bengiyenza ama-chores wami endlini ngiyenza whatever that I needed to do and bengirana ne-business lami lama eyelashes mara ngiva kahle ukuthi angikaze ngaphuza ipeni lamapilisi ngale ndlela ever since in my life
azange uphuze ini ngicela ungiphindele le nto
ngiyayithanda lamapeni
awusho njalo ipeni lamapilisi
ipeni lamapilisi angikaze ngaliphuza kanje
so wonke lama pain killers lawa uyawazi
lalela sengize ngilazilele ngikhonayo
because now I understand ukuthi the more uphuza amapilisi you end up becoming immune
agcina angasa ngoba noma ufika lapha kade ayasha athola le yambawula athola le yambawula
now you said Mr. Nkosi is very supportive angeke ngize ngithi kwazi is very supportive
very
even currently. But now you said you had a lump and obviously breast cancer it leads to a procedure where kokosele either iyajujwa or kwenzakalani take us through leyo process
leyo ibele lele bekade ligula ibele la ka left so udoctor wathi kimi ngizocala ukwenza chemotherapy and then bese ngiza nge-radiation after irradiation bese kuza operation chemo first irradiation is a machine whereby kuba ngathi machine lo MR scan uyangena lapho and then kuba ngathi yi-laser iyashisa iyashisa la so watholakala ukuthi esibhedlela la bengiyenzela yonke le process eCharlotte Maxeke Hospital Sasha there was a time la eCharlotte Maxeke Hospital it bent down so i-process yami ye-radiation yaba delayed kwakosele ukuthi ngiyenze operation so lesa sikhathi lo mangiloko ngiyenza le ngithatha le chemo yabona manse General Hospital lapha emabhantshini maniloko ni shishiriza phela kunalabo bomama laba abakhulumayo hayi mina yasuka ngapha yaza ngapha hayi mina yasuka ngapha ngilalele bane experience
when uyaqala uyinovice
kwesithuna ati kanti yakhona ukusuka ngapha ize ngapha
it is Zame next door
eish kwangena ngapha endlebeni ezwayo ne ngayivala le ndlebe lazange kusaphuma kwahlala la kule medulla oblongata yami encane mase ngifike esibhedlela sekumele ukuthi manje ngiyenza ini operation ngathi mina doctor ngicela ukuthi remove alles and before okay ngikhulumisane nobaba wasendlini ukuthi mesikade manje i-situation is so and mina labo mama bathi kanje this thing ngizwile and mina kule embawula le ngibuya kiyo angiziboni mina basho ngiyabuyela kiyo ngicela ukuthi manje vele ngisuse kwasani zonke bonke 8 kuphume azangabe nenkinga savumelana kwaba i-decision yethu soyi-2 azange kube decision yami ngiyi-1
angisho vele nishade noyi-2
sishade soyi-2 nesitshaba sonke asishadanga nesitshaba sonke yes so it was a decision that we had to make soyi-2 and then udoctor wangibuza ukuthi Mrs Nkosi are you sure ngathi mina yes 100% ngoba mina ngiva bathi athi no ama chances mancane ngathi lalela ke doctor naleyo 5% leyo chance angiyifuni
utama chances mancane wani
ukuthi ijumpele on the other side yes it's not for
but noma ngabe mancane ama chance but
akhona and it does not happen to everyone so how was I supposed to know ukuthi I'm not that one engikizijumpele ngapha we understand so angizange ngifune nokwazi ukuthi iyobuya ofanele ibuye ngathi zonke bonke mabele phansi aziye so bayenza i-operation
now njengoba uthi mabele angisho ikubambe one side
yes
so mawuthi mabele did you decide on removing both
two
okay
zonke bonke phasi
naleli lingasana
naleli ngaguli bengasafuna ukwazi ngoba ngizwile lapha emshishirizweni ukuthi iyasikhona ukuthi isuke on the other side uva umuntu athi after 3 years iyabuya sengibuya kwesithulana yangibamba after 4 years ngiyacabanga ngithi ngiphinde ngizoshishiriza la
ngathi they are enjoying
I understand ngathi mina ngizoshishiriza futhi lana mina ngishishiriza kayi1 ene angifuni angisaphindanga angifuni ukuphinde ngizibone ngishiswa ile mbawula uyabona so base kwenziwa leyo bilateral mastectomy yona le angisho manje ngisu doctor ngudoctor wesintu
no ubalekile i-bilateral mastectomy
yes so bayenza ke naye lo bilateral lo decision yami yaphinde yangishaya yangishaya lo decision
ikushaya kanjani
angithi manje Khumza usuke kakho wena bowugeza wami esipilini unamabela ayi2 umuhle right the next thing so ya dischargewa esibhedlela so uzobhekana nereality a different meme umeme omunye oseka akasana mabele umeme akasana mabele no ingishaye Khumza the reason ngithi ingishaye mina ngiyalithanda ibreast ngiyalithanda ibreast and unfortunately ekuthandeni kwami ibreast uNkulunkulu wangiphe ibreast nyane lincane lingaka
shanga icupsi
you understand ene lecupsi nyane yona le encane le bengithi uNkulunkulu angiphe yona wathatha yona nayo yona leyo you understand so uyazi ukuthi uba ne low self esteem.
Yeah.
Kungithatha isikhathi eside khumza ukuthi ithi mangigcobisa ngime phambi kwesipili mangigcoka ngime phambi kwesipili. Benginganayo that confidence. Uyageza, uyagcoka, awume esipilini. Mawuhlangana nabosisi nje baveza ama cleavage, ubabheka ngelinye ilihlo, and then uzibheke wena, ubone kahle ukuthi yabona la kubhedile rek.
Ekukushayeni kwakho ke kwayo lento le since you took the decision with your husband. Njengoba wena ube ne low self esteem. Have you had a chance ukuthi ukhulumisane naye ukuthi mfo bheka ke manje phela isifuba sami nesifuba sakho
seziyafana.
It affecta kanjani as my husband?
Yena, I think yena psychologically already beseka zibekile lapho ukuthi uMrs Makabuya isifuba sakhe sofana nesami. Mina okay fine bengazi ukuthi ngiyowasusa wethu with the thinking ukuthi angisafuna ukuphinde ngigule futhi, but little did I know ukuthi izongishaya. Ezongishaya ngoba kwesinye isikhathi besithi noma ngabe mhlambe siyahishana ngithi hayi lokho angisana amavele ne. Uyayibona lo nto le ya so bona abangcono ngoba bona banawo amabele ya wenzela ukuthi yabona nje yonke into kancane bengisensitive to that extent ukuthi ya ilokuthi angisana amabele so awusangiboni yabona nje lo nto le.
Kwesinye isikhathi mhlambe umninda ngobende enyameni angayidlala.
Uyangunderstand ukuthi mhlambe na akekho nokuba lapho, and I think that thing bemceda amandla because bengimangiceda nje ukusho lokho vele nje athuli. Uyabona? Vele nje bekuthi makwenzakala something ithi hayi lokuthi vele angisho mina
but angisho ushizo masikhuluma earlier on ushizo ukuthi lento le ikushayile even psychological. I think those were the aspects of the psychological.
Psychologically, I don't want to lie. I don't want to lie. It took me the operation ngiyenze 2020.
Yeah.
Ngo February. I think ingithathe almost 2 years man before I can regain that confidence yokuthi okay lalela meme I saw this thing and uyophila nayo as long as usaphila. And then another thing eyangisiza wena khomza ngutshele ngizomenshina abantu abayi2 may their souls rest in peace. Ubhuti nosise besonta nabo lapha eRome. uKenneth no sinenhlanhla Ndimandi.
Oh yes.
Beautiful scars. Yes, yeah, bebanale lona ye beautiful scars. They usually used to talk about embracing your scars. Love the scars, you understand? I think that's where I drew my strength from. Leo program yabo ukuthi beautiful scars, because I remember ngime espilini one day and then I appreciated those scars. Looking at myself, looking at my children more especially. Ukuthi may you chose scars over death.
No, I even saw the picture that you posted on Facebook.
Yeah.
I was like, wow, ish.
Yeah.
So really
in reality that's how I look like.
Oh.
In reality that's how I look like.
Yeah, no, because in terms of you had a lot to deal with. Kakhulu psychologically iyalimaza,
I don't want to lie. Iyalimaza because ukhumbule ukuthi uma ungumfazi i-breast man into kungukuthi noma ugcokile kune shape, you know, manje masogcokile sekuva. Yebo?
Yeah.
Like awubi na that thing nje ukuthi ufuna ukuthi kube nento ethi yebo yeah now uzive man mawukho ukuthi no you understand. So yeah man kungithethe isikhathi khumza, so lesifo lesi sibhlungu and okubhlungu ukuthi asibamba abafazi kuphela. Even namadoda. And I still say till today, I still say ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu ngoba singibambise ngimdala senginabantwana. Mina bengihamba i-treatment nomntana ona 11 years. 11 years wentombazana. So you can imagine mangabe kungukuthi uyoyenza i-operation already yena sekayokhula vele into ekuthiwa yivele eliyokhula anyeka say experience.
Meme, as someone okhonzayo or attendayo inkonzo every Sunday, I do believe you're always present esontweni every Sunday. As someone who also believes in the ancestors, the time you were told ukuthi now nasi lesilwane, was there a moment where you questioned God and ancestors ukuthi why mina?
Kakhulu. Yo Khomotso kakhulu, because I felt ukuthi uNkulunkulu has failed me. Ukuthi ngimkhonza kangaka, ngimdumisa kangaka, ngenzeni? Is there is it a punishment of some sort? What is it that God that I have done? Because ngiyacabanga ukuthi izono zami ngiyazivuma. And I'm a true believer ukuthi uma izono zami ngizivuma phambi kwakamfundisi, izono zami ziyaxolelwa. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu yisiphi lesono lesesingaka engisenzile ufile ukuthi I deserve such a punishment. Makuyindumba yona vele ngayivala. I don't want to lie. Yeah, ngayivala because ngafila ukuthi okay, ngiyagula yini ngizoyenza labanye abantu ngigula. You understand? Like njoba ngisho ukuthi self esteem iyayehla uyagula. Like I bengafuna ukuva umunye umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi uyagula unenkinga, bengifuna ukukhuluma nami. Because endumbeni ukhumbule ukuthi uma uyinyanga ungugobela kuza abantu abanezinkinga. Uma usendumbeni you are not only just inyanga, you are a psychologist. We physiotherapist. We bonke, you understand, you cancel abantu ngalo umuntu ungena ngale asindelwa makafika ngala khala kuthulula aphume lapho right. So ngalendlela bengizizwa ngakhona bengafuna into ozongitshela ukuthi unezinkinga manje uzongikhalela uzongirasela, you understand.
Indumba uyivala nini mawubhizi
ngekimo ngama ngibhizi ngekimo.
Yazi ngifuna ukuthini lapha. Ufuna ukuthi ngeke umuntu azokuzela nenkinga zakhe wena bakugwinyisa imbawula.
Uyangibamba. Ngishiso imbawula la. Wona uzongitshela ukuthi manje kena ukuthi manje kena. Ngabona kahle ukuthi lalela la. Labantu laba mabazozala ngeke baziba understand ukuthi nami manje I need someone to listen to me. I don't have the strength.
So now you were also ngoba yazwa ngiyakumala. Uvala indumba but esontweni uyayo. Ukwatele bani? Ukwatela ama ancestors but you still going to God.
Mina bengibakwatele bonke actually, I don't want to lie to you. Bengibakwatele bonke but I think indumba bengivalise ukuthi I don't have the energy
to deal with
nezinkinga zabanye abantu because I'm dealing with my own mbawula, my own demons.
Yes.
Going to God because I believe ukuthi God is above even now la umadlozi because amadlozi bekubantu. uNkulunkulu ungaphezulu kwabo.
Sure.
As much as I had questions, I figured ukuthi ama answers ngizowathola khona lapho futhi esontweni. Still bengiya esontweni. Ngigula kunjalo bengiya. Yazi he Khomotso. Ngikhumbula ngelinye ilanga yazi kunomunye lapha esontweni azoke wangigwara wathi ngifana namathuna.
Ufana nani?
Nethuna.
Ufana nethuna kanjani?
Ungihleba nomunye baba bayenza ama WhatsApp what. Ene lo nto le yafika kimi ukuthi lona nimbonile ngathi ithuna elihambayo. Ukhumbule number 1, imbawuli yakushiso bamnyama.
Sure.
So ifoundation bengiyibeka bjo. Hayi bengitlipiriza, you understand?
Who's playstera?
Bengiziplaystera.
Yeah.
That's the word that I'm looking for. You understand? Need ukuthi ngivele ngibe muhle because bengimnyama. Bengifana nale bruke ngilifakile bengimnyama.
Yeah, because mina I don't remember seeing you.
Bongeke uzongibona. I never allowed myself to be seen ngalo ndlela in public. Bengithi mangifika endlini mangisula le foundation ngapha. Apha kumnyama. Apha ku-brown. You understand?
Two face bathini?
Face off. Lalela angikaze ngayigcobisa i-makeup ngale ndlela empilweni yami.
But now you see you're going to church to praise God, uyomnikeza inkinga zakho and then khona lapha esontweni bakukhuluma matala side. Uyagula. and umuntu makazokhuluma madala side affect lento leyo, but still you persisted. What kept you motivated to say now whatever they can say mina ngiyachubeka?
Uyazi, I think lapho i-strength ngadrawa i-strength especially kumamami.
Yeah.
Mamami uyilunga lama St. Anne lapha ebandleni. Kwathi mangimtshela wathi umama meme uyakhumbula empilweni yami makwenzeka 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 mntanami. Ngagcoka ikwayi ngama ngathi chin up ngathi breast out ngawalka. Wathi wena ungumntwana kaBernice wena uyogcoka ikwayi manje mntanami uyothi breast out uthi chin up and uzoya uyombulisa lo muntu loyo uzoya uyombulisa nokumbulisa ukhulume naye uxoxe naye umbheke emehlweni kube wazi kahle ukuthi
wenzeni
and lesikhathi imbawuli yakushisa and uyazi ukuthi ukwenzeni athi you going to stand tall, you going to be strong. Awuyoba umntwanami o weak, anginamntwana weak, angisi weak, uyoba strong. So yeah, umama wangithwalisa ijogo, but I ngiyambonga nanamuhla. Hence ngisho ngithi I think i support engithole kakhulu emndenini yiyo le eyangiphakamisa kanti kwanami nginenkani.
Okay.
Yeah.
Izwa. Yeah.
Yeah, inenkani nginayo. And I'm so glad ukuthi inkani yami this time ngayisebenzisa la entweni ebese ibhekane nami ke manje. Mina into mangithi ngiyifuna. And I make sure ukuthi I fight until I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, nginenkani. Nasendlini bahlala basho unenkani.
Ilo kanje like yazi ngizama nje ukucabanga nje ukuthi I'm just gonna do just this story nyana nje yabo. It's Sunday. Ugcoka isambatho ngisho sontweni. Kuyashisa. Ugwenya imbawula. Esontweni kugcwele.
Yeah.
Bobodila kanjani nalento le ukuthi yashisa isontweni siyakushisa isambatho.
Lalela. Yazi ukuthi enhleke mawukhuluma ngelona ngesambatho so ungikhumbuza esinye istory. Angithi ukhumbule ukuthi ngingumuntu wamadlozi, ne? So kwesinye isikhathi kunalesikhathi lesi esontweni makubizwa abacwebileyo. So thina abantu bamadlozi we connect because that's when they summon ama spirits.
Ekhathi ngithethe ngasashaya isigubhu.
Yes, ngithethe ngasashaya isigubhu esontweni. So they summon the Holy Ghost. So nathi leso sikhathi in a way siya connect because nathi sinalama spirits.
Okay.
So uma ngabe kungukuthi vele wena natural unalama spirits kungukuthi bewasonta bekubantu abayenzani nabo bayeza.
Okay.
So lapha kumadodakazi angithi bengine dread.
Yeah.
So bokuzothi mhlambe ledlozi malivukile ne bese bangikhiphela ngaphandle ngithi bese laba babamba lezinwele bathi kuthi balibuyisela idlozi emuva ngisho ukosela bakudonse la ifokothweni.
Doza bakhipha idread mos.
Just nje ukuthi nje liyabaleka mabayenza njalo liyabaleka. So mabadonsa la ifokothweni liyahamba. So abosisi bamba sesontweni bese bazi. So ngelinye ilanga zingibambe. Sengigunyele embawula.
Yeah.
Yebangikhiphela ngaphandle. Mele bakhipha isigcoko kunempandla lapha.
Esani yeah.
I don't know what is it that they did, but apparently ubi bengit hi hambani bogogo asale mfana alike threat abazi balibelekise njani you understand sebashaya simele bashaye phezulu kwalempandla phela you understand. So it was just one of the funny things engihlangabezana nazo. And nakubo kiba bosisi bengithole support kakhulu abosisi bamadodakazi. Speaking of indaba yembawula nginefene encane.
Okay.
Yeah, nginefene encane. And lezigcoko ziyashisa ngisho ze velvet ziyadura ngisho sigcoka ze velvet izigcoko siyadura phela sigcoka konke nje izigcoko ezimbi.
Nina na.
Yeah, ziyadura nesiyashisa. So bengisurvive ngokuthi ngihlala nginefene.
Okay.
Yeah. And unfortunately leyo lawo ma hot flashes awapheli immediately even namanje ngisese nawo.
Okay.
Yeah, ngisese nawo ma hot flashes. They are not as severe. Yeah, should kahle lembawuli sathi isikhathi ukuphuma ku system.
Okay.
Yeah, isese khona iyafika ukuthi mayifika manje ngive ngahle ukuthi ngathini ngangithatha ningifake phakathi kwe-ice ngoba
Even
manje
now, Joe. No?
yebo isayenzeka but
Manje
manje yenzeka bits and pieces
lapho nalapho.
lapho nalapho yes
Uceda manje phela bayahappy pha lajika.
should yajike
Shuthi sekunama options amaningi. Uyadosa izinwele udose makungana izinwele.
yeah uhlale fokoso
Manje tshela mina ke meme you are a married woman. Ungugobela Gobs and I find.
yes
Umuntu wamadlozi unabantwana. Now how do you juggle lezo zinto lezo like ukuthi manje what keeps you going and motivates you wenze zonke lento lamachozo akho lawo?
uyazi khona la ngeke ngahlala khona ngathi kahle kahle le energy lengaka ngithathapi and then one day I realized ukuthi mfuzo babami uBrachiko may his soul rest in peace yazi khumutso honestly nami lo mbuzo loyo ngihlezi ngizibuza angazi mara nginenge i-energy or angazi ingcondo yami mina ngazi ingcondo yami ukuthi isebenza kanjani or umzimba wami usebenza kanjani mina even nale phone mangizocala ngithize ngicela ukucima le phone ngoba ifone yami iphumula only if mina ngilele I don't know mhlambe it's God given but ngiyakhona mina ukujugglisha izinto eziningi ngesikhathi esiyi1 mhlambe mangabe le nto leyo ine term ngiyile nto leyo I don't know if maybe there is a term for umuntu onjalo because mina khumutso ngikhona ukusuka la ngidile naloko ngisuke la ngidile naloko ngibe ugobela ngisuke endlini kuba ugobela ngifoge emathwasane ngisuke emathwasaneni ngingena endlini ngifoge abantwana bami ngifoge lo baba ngingene kulo enelalela akunana la uzova okay kona ukukhathala ngizosho ukuthi mara akusinto ukuthi manje ke nakimi seyi nekungalala nje ngathi mangivuka la sengirechargeile ibhetri lakho namba liba flat ngiyalala yonke
une phathini kunani kune fast charger ne
yeah
une fast charging cable somewhere
mangivuka lapho ngiready mara masengithi manje ngidiniwe ngifuna ukuyolala for example Saturday ngibuya eLeidenburg mangisuke eLeidenburg ngafika endlini ngakhumula ngathi ezangomeni
usakhuluma ngezangoma ngicela ke usixoxele ngeprocess yakho yokuthwasa nokuthi idlozi imali kufikela kwenzakalani nje ukuthi hey manje sengicaleni impilo
yo khumuso idlozi la ngicala eprimary that's what I can say but bengingazi leso sikhathi ukuthi lokugula yidlozi bengifeintha esikolweni and ngizothi mangivuka mangibatshele ekhaya ukuthi bengibone 1 2 3 1 2 3 and then bazothi ngiyahallucinate baba was a believer bese kusele kangaka ukuthi abomdikoni so lento zabo madlozi nani kahle kahle bengasiza into kungukuthi
mawusuke uthi ubonile abantu uyahallucinate abobona
bengibona abogogo mhlambe angeke ngize ngene kakhulu ngoba ezinye ezimfihlakalo you understand I would see myself ngifake amalaphu abogogo ngizibona ngifake ama beats kwesinye isikhathi ngizibone ngaphasi kwamanzi nginomnikazi ngisurrounde abantu engabazi you understand kunezilwane lapho kunamahashi kunama ini izimvu kunomeluso yabona nje izinto ezinjengalezo so maningi nje amaphupho ebe ngiba nawo but lawo bekuba amaphupho engiwaphupha uma ngilele but uma mhlambe ngiphase out bekuba nenkulumo abogogo bafika bangitshela yona of mhlambe ngiphuphe nje ngigida amadlozi nani yabo so bona bathi bengihallucinate of lento bezi madimoni ngikhumbula ngelinye ilanga ngizofeintha ngisendlini bangimikisela ku Dr. Hakru la kaGuqa
ku Hakru
yeah apparently nalapho bengisaloko ngiphase out so umama wacela omunye ubaba elithuli ukuthi bangimikise lapho bayamchazela lo doctor ukuthi hayi makavuka lana vani athi ubona so lo baba wathi lo muntu lona akagula ukuthi uyagula ngicela ukuthi nimikiseni emuntwini into ebantwini besintu bathi bangimikise Forceman ngaphapha Forceman mina kumunye umprofeti nalo mprofita wathi okay waprofita washo ukuthi ngihlushwa into so ngeke ngaya nasezisisina khona ngigula bamtshela babami still ukuthi ngihlushwa into so babami was very stubborn angafunje nokuziva into zamadlozi mema qede I high school ngiye tertiary still lokugula kuseloku sesekhona sengiyadecide ke manje udabona manje sengiyaziyela ke manje mina ngiyozihlolela kahle kahle inhleke yile ngene nalamaphupho awastop it so I2 months beyiningi kusisikhathi ngithi ngiyaphupha ngive ukuthi literally ngiphakathi kwamanzi ngize ngiphume yabona nje lokuthi ngathi kunento baqeda ukuvuka phakathi kwento engayi understand it was just a lot
but mawuvuka isibhayiscope yazi amaphupha sethi
uya understand bekuba ngathi vele yabona leyo nto leyo bengivuka isibhayiscope uqinisile bengathi ngiya act kanti ngiku reality yabona so okay fast forward to meme ngiziyele ebantwini I think bangaya ibantwana abayi3 abayi4 up until ngize ngibatshele ekhaya ukuthi man no guys niyazi kuso and then baba saphila saya komunye baba waseXuwa baba umnisi mara sawashona kulawo babami ke wafike wavula isifuba wakhuluma ukuthi kanje lo muntu so ene ukhuluma so back I think ngisese high school khona la ake wahamba nami khona yabona lo ukuthi manje kana ayoncenga in mina benga understand isikhathi kwenzakalani sekayahlambululo la yakhulumela ngalela meme sihamba siya esigangeni so sibe ngiyokushwelezela indawo marandoda awungitshela ukuthi ngishweleze usho ukuthi indaba yadala yazi umkhulu wakhe na
neligo lesotho
we understand so even no happy makazi ngizohlangana naye ngiyamthethe mina ndoda mina nginokuwa bathi nginento so angazi yabona so kwathi mase kwenzeka ukuthi sekufika lesikhathi sokuthi manje kena sekumele ukuthi manje kena ngihambe he was very supportive waze wangikhapha nalabe kumele ukuthi ngiyekhona he was there from day 1 up until day 2 ngize ngibuya ekhaya
day 1 mawuyothwasa
mangiyothwasa mangihamba ngiyothwasa le enkomazi emalelana
thwase kude no ubaba uNkosi I think yokhosela ke ngimbone ngixoxa naye
because now I think so
I cancer came after
iphehlo yes
so cabanga Gobs I find his
uyahamba
uyobuya ngoyoyi
ngahamba ngibe wasala nabantwana wasala nomuzi
qhiqhi usabhekile futhi nango ke phela lo muntu kufanele uyogwinya imbawula
isemele ukugwinya imbawula
he's still there
no yabona ugwinya imbawula sekahleli nomuntu ofana nesifuba esifana nesakhe
lo kanje it shows the true manifestation of a true love that he has for wena nomndeni wenu because this nowadays abantu abaningi they no longer believe in love and banokusho bathi uthando akusukusho but ukwenza
ama actions
so ama actions wakhe they prove it kanti bangikhona bangishaya inkwenga
angazi kusho kakhulu kuyimanje ku podcast
hayi khuluma ungasabi khuluma mamela thina sisho thithi we shooting plans no harm done ungasabi khuluma
asovana ubone kunala angazi ufa khuluma isitsonga ufa khuluma isishangana babakhuluma nabo kuba ngathi bashaya inkweni
babulabula ngashongo no like ilo kanje ne meme Grace mama uNkosi if you had superpowers if you had superpowers yini into ongayichinja nje kuzo zonke lezi zinto sobuya kizwa and everything like yini into ongayichinja if unama superpowers yini into ongayichinja kulesimo esiphila kiso currently
kulesimo esiphila kiso of kulesimo mina engidlule kiso
even nala udlulekiswa and everything
mina if I had superpowers isimo engasichinja not esami I think esami it has shaped me to be who I am and to be what I am today and I'm grateful so I don't think I can change that if there's one thing that I can actually change emhlabeni ukreverse inyawupe
back to sender
reverse inyawupe back to sender whoever created Inyaupe in the first place, can they just be buried? Yeah.
Ukhuluma kwangathi ku-affectile personally.
Ingaffectile personally, yeah. Ekhaya endlini, yes, yeah.
Yeah, no, isilwane le.
Yeah, if there's one thing that I can reverse, I think yilogo okunye nokunye kwasemhlabeni sikuthola kunjalo emhlabeni, but leyo it's man made, so it destroy future generation, it destroy abo bhuti bethu, abo sisi bethu,
yeah.
abo malume bethu, abo mamncane, abo you understand.
It's like iyamosha.
So yeah, destroyer lalela ayikho into edestroyer umhlaba njengalento leya. Even ne cancer yenza kancane mayifika kwinyawupe. I believe so, because at least cancer it can be cured, but inyawupe once wangayibhema icon. Yeah,
no kunzima
kakhulu
kunzima. Mimi I think iseswela ngasemaphethelweni.
Yeah,
but before sivala yini inhlo mhlambe ongayisho to women that are going through what you went through and yet they haven't realized ukuthi they are going through that. Yini mhlambe into ongakatshela yona, and what is it, these are two questions, what is it that you're doing to conscientize people about breast cancer?
Okay.
Yes.
What I can say is this message actually I want address it kubo mama kuphela.
Yeah.
Ngizoyi addressa na kubo baba, because breast cancer ibamba both men and women.
Yeah.
But kakhulu ke singasho ukuthi ke kubo mama ngicela ukuthi ba normalize ukwenza i-mammogram, ukwenza ama breast cancer test, ukuya for i-pap smear, uchecka na kuwumbu, because na kuwumbu thina bomama siyayithwala i-cancer.
Okay.
And immediately uma uthola i-lump or over something abnormal, don't waste time, iya ka doctor. And uma you are also thola ukuthi you are diagnosed, ungapheli amandla mntansekhaya, look for solution. Ungathi sekuphelile. Never say it's over until God says it's over. So mina personally I think ngike ngabhala na ku Facebook ukuthi I'm a breast cancer survivor. If there is someone out there odinga is support, I'm here. I'm offering the little that I have or the little knowledge that I have ngalesifo, because going through leyo process uyi-one ungana support of ungana bantu aba understand what you're going through, it's not easy. But mina I'm open.
Yeah.
Uma unenkinga ungakhona ukulala unani whatever challenges ikunguthi you encounter them during this journey, please talk to me. And unfortunately, so I think maybe with this platform they will come through. I have been shouting, ukuthi guys I'm here. Kuma Lahleni FM ngibuya khona.
Sure.
So far there's one particular lady that I'm talking to who started naye ngaleyo process. But one thing I'm 100% sure of, ukuthi la Witbank sibaningi but bayasaba ukukhuluma kwangathi lento lena bazibizele yona kanti ukugula. Bangasabi, bangayifihli, because the more usaba uyifihla uyazicindezela.
Yeah.
Be outspoken about it, even though you are not publicly about it, but I'm here. Let them come, supportane, sibone ukuthi singaphuma kanjani, you know, form a support group, you understand. So mina ngama Saturdays, I mean ngama October, nge breast cancer month, ngivamisileke ukuthi ngigcoke ipink. Kanti makuyile ribbon le ihlezi nje ikhona noma ngisemsebenzini mangikhumbulile. Ngiyayifaka ukuthi noma estradini mangihlangana nabantu uthi hayi why ufake i-ribbon, ngiyathi I'm a breast cancer survivor. Uyabona.
But then have you tried maybe to approach Department of Health and staff ukuthi nangiphinde and staff Engikuthanda ukuthi and stuff.
stuff,
Yo,
yeah.
have you approached the Department of Health to know, like, uba notify ukuthi look, I'm a breast cancer survivor and I would love to assist in reaching out to people, because I don't think we have to necessarily wait for October to conscientize people about breast cancer and everything, to do awareness. But this process, it's a process.
Yeah.
So have you
yeah.
tried to approach them mhlambe, for people who don't have access to Facebook or these social platforms
Yeah,
and stuff, so that magunama drive, you know, ukuthi have you tried?
No, as a matter of fact, no, I haven't. And ungibuyisela lapha ekutheni bekuthi mangiya for ama chemo back then, because
Yeah.
ngiwathathela iJozi.
Sure.
Bekuba na every day kuba na this one or two cancer survivors as well who would come and do a health talk. And I used to tell Baba Nkosi ukuthi this is where I want to be. This is what I also want to do.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, but manje I took it transfer because I believe the worst is over. Angisathatha treatment eJozi sengila with bank.
Okay.
So you normally mangiya la ku check up lapha with la with bank. Uthola mhlambe C5 or C4. But I have not approached lo department la nokuthi yazi ngifisa ukuthi ngathi singayenza into so, and I think I'm happy ukuthi you brought it up ukuthi iphinde ingikhumbuze ukuthi what is it that I wanted to do initially, like from eqaleni, you understand? So yeah, I think I should do
as
it.
much as you've said ukuthi by embracing your scars, you are given an opportunity to go and heal others to also embrace their scars. Remember,
yeah.
when your scars were somehow healed indirectly, the time in Shishiriza,
Yeah, yeah.
abanye bathi mina ithema isuka ngapha yabangapha. So your presence emntwini ozobabhekene naleso simo leso suka kiso, njengoba usho ukuthi ngale eJoburg bebakhona abantu, you're being diagnosed with naso-ke sikhuwa. When being diagnosed and surviving cancer, that is also another form of, you know, like you ministering via assisting others.
Yeah.
If you haven't thought about it, njengoba vele kushizo ukuthi you haven't thought about it.
Yeah.
It's something that as isi-013 sithi thatha nayo ilo kanje ibhethini yakho ugijime nayo ukhone ukunceda abanye abantu. Remember, when you are not fortunate enough ukuthi mhlambe kube nomuntu oku-assista except your husband and family and stuff like that,
and stuff. What and stuff.
But uyangibamba ngithini?
Ngiyakubamba, Joe,
Uyangibamba ngithini? So
ngiyakubamba.
C013 sithi go out there. Go out there, make a difference in someone's life. I understand. Yeah.
And then umbuzo ongangibuzanga wona.
Sure.
Engifuna ukushare.
Yeah.
Abalaleli bangizwile ngikhulume ukuthi isifuba sami sifana nesendoda, but now they are probably asking ukuthi how mara girl. Right, girl la. Lapha ema-clinic kunezinto abazibiza ama-breast pads.
Okay.
Ebasinikeza zona, and then kunama bra wethu especially ukuthi usikhona ukufaka lama breast pads. And then currently ngisebenzisa wona okumnandi ukuthi manje ke na le size seyidlula lamabelo wami lawo cha.
Yeah.
So proudly so, I'm working with breast pads and I'm not even ashamed about it. Next year ngifuthi ngizocela ukubuya ku show.
Sure.
Ngiku process yokwenza breast reconstruction. There's something that they call breast reconstruction, whereby bayothatha some of my tissue, body parts and fat and what bangicreatele ibele. Baqale phasi. So bengisathi vele ngizokutshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi uma sizoyenza leyo program before sicala kube mhlambe nama pictures wami we before and after.
No sizoyenza.
So that I want to encourage abomama ukuthi as much as ungasana bele ikhona iway and what I like ukuthi ikhona the process bayayenza Helen Joseph iyenzwa ama professor.
Okay.
They do it for free. I think mhlambe imali nyano ingayibhadala incane or mangabe mhlambe medical aid whatever the case may be bayakhona ukuthi bayenze. So nalabo abakungukuthi bebangazi ukuthi uma unesifuba there's no need ukuthi uhlale ngaleso sifuba if awukho comfortable. Iyayenziwa breast reconstruction. So ngikuleyo process leyo yokuyenza ama preparations wayo. So I think next year Jan or Feb I'm undergoing that
Okay.
that surgery. Yeah.
No, siyazibongela thina ukuthi usi-invite C013 ukuthi sibe nawe kuleyo process ye-breast reconstruction.
Yes.
No, we will gladly do that because njengoba sishizo ukuthi go out there and be an ambassador for breast cancer awareness and everything. So thina we want to be part and parcel of story sakho. You understand? As much as sikutholile so yenzile irradiation nawadlula nakubo chemo and stuff, but on this reconstruct and stuff ngizama ukumbalekela uyangibuyisela ngizama ukumbalekela and stuff uyangibuyisela, but kule reconstruction no, we are taking the opportunity with both hands.
Because nami I'm excited about it ukuthi in a way I'm not actually even doing it for myself, cabang. I want to do it and I want to take photos before, though I have not been like taking photos currently, but uma sengazi ukuthi manje sengiya kuleyo process le, I think that's when I will start taking pictures, something that can be public ukuthi if I did it so can you
uvlog futhi
lalela nje.
No meme mama Nkosi mina ngikubizele kona la ekhaya, I think asingabi isiqeda mlozi siqeda konke ngoba usabuya
sicede ngelanga eliwayo.
Usabuya mawubuya ubuya ngamawaza manje because nayo le procedure le ozoyicala it's gonna be costing
psychologically ngoba ngisayosikwa ngisayopendwa physically
emotionally. Ubaba uNkosi usayobekezela very no
yabo mntana bani Nkosi uDlamini
waqedza albombo ngokuhlehletela. So no Tina thank you very much for coming through. We wish you nothing but the best. And C013 njengoba ngishizo earlier on sihamba nawe toti. Sihamba nawe toti uzame lokuvloga. Nami sekufundile lapha kunamanye amagama lapha. Uzokutshela abo bilateral mastectomy. Abo bilateral what kunamanye amagama phela mawukhuluma awuvamisanga kwabiza yabo, but I'm sure net masiceda ngale show leli legama ngizolikhumbula njalo mangibukela ishow yabo mangiphuma umnyango lapha bilateral no. But thank you very much for coming through, and then mhlambe sesivala yini mhlambe into ongathanda ukuyitshela ababukeli bethu.
Mina into engathanda ukuyisho kubabukeli bethu ukuthi ngithanda ukuthi bonke laba abasebashile kulomhlaba, may their souls rest in eternal peace. And then those who are still fighting, may they not lose the strength and the courage to fight. Fight mtansekaya, never give up. Don't say it's over until God says it's over. And to those abangazi status sabo, it's very important to constantly check because it's there and it says ngamandla. So in everything that is happening, God is still God. Usese uNkulunkulu, beka uNkulunkulu izolo, uNkulunkulu namuhla, usayoba uNkulunkulu futhi nangamalanga alandelayo. So whatever challenge ohlangabezana nayo, embrace it because it's there for a purpose. So ungathi mawuhlangabezana nesimo bese so yabo uya give up. uNkulunkulu uma akunikeza isiphambano sithwale, because naye uNkulunkulu usuka kuthembile ukuthi leso siphambano uzosithwala. So sithwale with pride, but not forgetting to ask the wisdom from God to help you to cross
forward.
over. Yes.
If people want to contact you njengoba
Yeah.
ushizo ukuthi khona wakhuluma omkhulumisayo ku social media, ama social media handles wakho athini?
Nkosi yami konje yini
Ku Facebook?
Ku Facebook I think Grace Meme Nkosi. And then go Instagram I3. Hey, athini? I think nakhona it's grace.memenkosi. Angivamisanga angisish.
But okay, asibambele oyijwayele ya ku
Yeah.
Facebook. Grace
Yeah.
Meme Nkosi.
Yeah, Grace Meme Nkosi.
Grace Meme Nkosi
Yeah.
ku Facebook. So you are open with people can inbox you.
100%
stuff.
now Instagram and stuff
stuff.
ngikhona now TikTok and stuff
ngikhona.
ngikhona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, don't also forget to like and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, C013 GCTV Media, Facebook, Golden Circle, Instagram, Golden Circle, TikTok, 013 GCTV Media. We are there. Don't forget again to like and subscribe to our channel. Ngukhumza Tso, coming to you from Moonlight. Njengoba ngihlala ngenza eWilly Ackerman.
Kubhizi.
eWilly Ackerman main road ila usithola khona. Khumza Tso. Ash.